Hey guys, and welcome to my Skilldd premium design software walkthrough video. So down below this video you will find the register link. Just go ahead, register yourself an account and log in, and then you will land on this exact same page here. As this is a demo account and I'm not this blonde lady here, I don't have any thumbnails here yet, but once you create a couple of thumbnails, they will all be shown here. Here you've got your profile, and if you click on that profile image here, then you can log out. But the real magic happens when you click on create. If you have purchased the front end of Skilldd, you will find 10 different unique thumbnails in different niches, ranging from yoga to business, make money online, or restaurants. And if you have purchased the Pro version, you will find many more unique thumbnails inside of your account. And let me show you how you actually customize these thumbnails. You can move all the elements around just like this. You can change the fonts, so just highlight it and then select the font that you would like to have. You can change the font's color just by clicking here, and if you know the color code, you can also add your own color code here. Then we have different effects for you, like grayscale, shadow, text stroke. So just go through it yourself and have a look at the different effects. You can delete the image by just clicking on this trash can icon. You can select your own image. You just want to click on photos, and we have an integration with Pixabay. All these images are free to use and you can do with them whatever you want. So just type in your keyword like ball, for example, then just click on that image and it will come up on your thumbnail. So you can make it smaller by just using the blue frame there, and you can position it wherever you want on your thumbnail. So this doesn't look super professional, but this is just for this demo video to show you how everything works here. You could add your logo or just write whatever you want there. Then we've got this transparency feature, so you can make these images transparent, which is super cool. You can lock or unlock your elements. And we have different layers as well, so you could move the image a layer back, down, or up again, or you could align left, align center, and all that stuff. So once you're happy with your thumbnail, you just want to click on download and download the thumbnail and then deliver it to your client or do with it whatever you want. We also included a very cool feature that allows you to resize your work. So no matter if you want to create a Facebook cover or a thumbnail or a YouTube banner, you can do so here. And this feature is actually something that most of the design softwares out there would charge a monthly subscription for. If you want to change the size and you want to create a Facebook cover, for example, just go over to Google and type in Facebook cover size, and then you can just change the size, and you don't necessarily need to create thumbnails with our software, but this is the default size that we are using. And if you don't want to use any of our templates, you just want to click on create, and then you will see this white background here. So you can start from scratch here by either uploading your own images. So if your client has given you an image that he wants you to use, you can just click on upload and upload that image. Or you can go to photos and just type in pizza, for example, and then you can select any of these images here. Just click on them. Then you can fit it to the background. If you want to add text, you just go ahead and click on text. So you can create a header, a subheader, and a body text. So let's just go with create header. And then you can just move this to the right, for example. And again, you can change the font. So let me use this one here. Looks pretty nice. And then you can change the color as well. Just highlight it and let's go with red. And then you can also create a subheader and move it here. Maybe you make it a bit smaller, so just like this. Or if you know the size that you want, you can also type it. So 35, for example. And then you could be like 30% off today. And you could also create a body text. So this is our Skilldd premium design software. It is super beginner friendly. Just register an account and start using it. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you make most out of it.